All right, so we've got even more conversion units, but again, as long as you have a good foundation, none of this should be too bad. So this next one up is mass percent. Mass percent means the mass of the component over the total mass, or in case of when you're talking about solutions, the mass of the solution. And then we multiply it by 100%. This is also sometimes known as weight by weight, so W/W percent, because you're taking both masses. So for example, question, liquid bleach that you use at home to wash your clothes is 7.4% sodium hypochlorite, NaOCl, by mass. How many moles in 1.0 kilograms of bleach? And then we're told that the molar mass of the sodium hypochlorite is 74.44 grams per mole. So again, pause the video, try it yourself, see how it goes. All right, so we've got this 7.4% of NaOCl. There's different ways that you can write this unit out. You can write it as 7.4 grams of NaOCl over 100 grams of solution, or you could write it as 0.074 grams of NaOCl over 1 gram of solution. If you think about it, they both result in the same number, so it's not really any different. So obviously we want to start off with a thing that's not a conversion unit, and that's this 1 kilogram. Note that this mass percentage is a conversion unit because it's comparing two things. So we'll start off with that 1.0 kilograms of bleach. And now when you're doing these types of problems, it's really important to keep track of what your subject is. So in this case, we're currently talking about the bleach, not the sodium hypochlorite. And then obviously, since we have kind of grams here, we want to convert our kilograms to grams. So for every 1 kilogram, there are 1,000 grams. And since we're talking about the bleach solution, right, we have solution down here. That's our bleach. So we can then insert that into there. 100 grams of bleach over 7.4 grams of the sodium hypochlorite. And then we can cancel out some things, right? The bleach and the bleach get canceled out. The kilograms and the kilograms get canceled out. And now what we can see is that we're left with grams of our NaOCl. Note that these grams also cancel out, so you're left with grams of NaOCl. Now that we're talking about just the sodium hypochlorite and not the solution, that's when we can start using the molar mass of the compound. So the molar mass of the NaOCl is 74.44 grams. So 74.44 grams per mole. The grams and the grams cancel out. And then we're left with 0.99 moles of our NaOCl. So again, none of these should be too difficult. The main thing that you want to be careful with here is the subject. Are you talking about the overall solution, or are you talking about the component? If you're given more information, such as maybe like density or something like that, is that the density of the pure solute, or is it the density of the solution? So just keep track of that part of a number.